How do industries cause loss of parks in urban pollution zones? Imagine walking through a city and noticing fewer green spaces around you. It might seem like parks are disappearing, but there's a clear reason behind it. Industries play a big role in this change, especially in areas with high pollution levels. First, industries need space for factories, warehouses, and other facilities. To grow, they often take over land that used to be parks or green areas. This is especially true in neighborhoods with less money, where parks are not protected by strict rules. As industries expand, they push out these green spaces, leaving fewer places for people to enjoy nature. Next, pollution from factories and industrial sites makes parks less inviting and sometimes unsafe. Emissions from burning fuels releases harmful chemicals into the air. Chemicals from waste disposal and runoff can contaminate soil and water in parks. Over time, these pollutants damage plants, soil, and water quality, making parks less healthy and harder to maintain. When parks become polluted, they might close or fall into neglect, further reducing green space in already polluted zones. Many pollution hotspots are located near communities that face economic struggles and social discrimination. These areas often see industries cluster nearby because it is cheaper for companies to operate there. This pattern is part of what is called environmental racism, where marginalized groups bear more of the pollution's burden. Losing parks in these neighborhoods worsens health issues because parks provide space for exercise, relaxation, and community gathering. Without parks, residents miss out on important benefits for physical and mental health. The loss of parks also impacts efforts to fight climate change in cities. Green spaces help absorb carbon dioxide, lower urban temperatures, and manage stormwater. When industries replace parks or pollute them, these climate benefits disappear. This makes cities hotter and more prone to flooding, especially affecting vulnerable communities. People with fewer resources have less ability to escape or adapt to these worsening conditions, which can lead to more poverty and homelessness. Protecting parks in areas with heavy industry requires policies that focus on fairness and justice. Stricter pollution controls, community involvement in land decisions, and investments in green infrastructure can help. Creating buffer zones between factories and parks reduces pollution exposure. Supporting urban tree planting and park maintenance can restore green spaces that industries have taken or damaged. In the end, industries cause the loss of parks by taking land, polluting environments, and deepening social inequalities. These effects hit marginalized communities hardest, worsening health, poverty, and homelessness. Addressing this issue means recognizing how industrial activity and environmental harm are linked to social injustice. Working to protect and restore parks can help build healthier, fairer cities for everyone.